show off next is how you can create an AI summary or a literature review. Clicking on the AI summary button, you're presented with a pop-up. Here, the gene that you use to create the network, or multiple genes, would be already pre-added in here. Ideally, you cap how many genes you put in here to a maximum of 3, but you could use more. Focus topics are pre-populated from any text search keyword filters that you apply during searching process, but actually you can come in here and you can take out anything that you don't want anymore or add alternative options in here yourself. For publication section, you can choose between all, which will be using all of the publications inside of the graph, or visible, which would only be using the publications which are currently visible inside of the knowledge graph, in this subgraph. You can see the counts of each, and you can see how it lines up here in the Graph Explorer with how many we see. So 21 out of 31 are currently visible. You might prefer to do visible, that way you can limit the RAG-based response that you're going to get from, in this case, OpenAI, to only the specific curated papers that you chose to leave in the visible graph. I'll just say I want a medium summary type, which means it will be not superbly long, and I find that that's usually the sweet spot. You get 50 generations per month per user on a premium resource, and I think just something like 3 on a free resource. So we'll give that a second to generate here. And what we see in the response here, and if I just collapse the Graph Explorer, and I can make this a bit smaller, I can see the title literature review on MFT in relation to seed dormancy. It'll give us a bit of an overview of the role of the gene that it fetched from the graph. It'll tell us how, it'll tell us all about the review, mechanistic insights in rice specifically, and it will generate a trait summary relation table from the literature inside of the graph. And if I wanted to read more or see where one of these publications are, I can actually click on it and it will go ahead and into the knowledge graph and select that. And so here I can read more about this abstract, kind of make sure that, yeah, the language model hasn't made any mistakes and it's all good. And take it from there. Maybe you've got a new question, you can just click the new review button and create another literature review.